Hi everyone, I'm Miss Amy with the Norcross Library, and this is Junior Scientists. We will be conducting STEAM experiments every second and fourth Tuesday of each month. This will be a great way to learn STEAM-related facts while having fun learning how to conduct experiments at home. But remember to always ask your parents' permission before you do any of the experiments or projects. Now, let's get started. This week, we will be learning about physics, which is a branch of science that studies matter and its motion, as well as how it interacts with energy and forces. In this physics experiment, we will be conducting a penny boat challenge. We will build a boat out of aluminum foil, and then we will see how many pennies it will hold before it sinks. A scientific way to say an object floats is to say it is buoyant. Buoyancy is figured out by an object's density, mass, and volume. Now, we know a boat made out of aluminum foil will float because its total density is less than the density of the water. The materials needed for our penny boat challenge are aluminum foil, pennies, a large bowl, water, and optional food coloring.
Now there are many different ways in which you can build an aluminum foil boat. And I'm just going to show you one of the ways, but feel free to do whichever style or form that you like. First, you're going to start off with about a 12 by 12 piece of aluminum foil. And we are going to fold it in half. We're going to turn it around. And this is the folded edge. We're going to fold down one corner. We're going to fold down the other corner. Now we're going to fold up one of the bottom pieces. We're going to turn it around and we're going to flip up the other side just like we did before. Okay, now we're going to fold down a corner piece just like this. We're going to fold down the other corner piece right over it. We're going to do the same on this side. Fold down the corner piece and fold down the other corner. Okay, now we're going to flip it over. We're going to open it. And we're going to fold it in half. It's going to feel weird because you're squishing the foil. That's okay. Then you're going to fold down one of your corners. And you're going to turn it around and do the same thing with the other side. Now you're going to open it and flip it around to the pointed side. And now we're just going to fold up our edges. Just like so. Feel free to play with it until you get it to the right shape that you like. And here you go. You got your foil boat. Now you've got your big bowl of water. And I went ahead and added a few drops of blue food coloring so that we could see the water a little bit better. And we're gonna take the boat that we made and we're gonna see if it floats. And we know that it does. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take some pennies. Now I have about 120 pennies. And now we're going to see how many pennies does it take to sink our boat. So let's start. I'm going to count by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Wow. 32, 34, 36, 38, 40. It looks like it might start to sink. Let's see how many more. Let's start with just adding 1 penny at a time. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Ooh, it's still holding. 51, 52, 53, 54. Uh-oh. I think that was it. There it goes, 54 pennies. Now it's your turn. See how many pennies can your boat hold before it sinks. I hope you had as much fun as I did with that penny boat challenge. And you can make it even more challenging by making different boats of different sizes and shapes to see if it can hold more pennies. Feel free to check out some of our many books that we have available, and I look forward to seeing you next time at our next Junior Scientists. See you next time.